Carl, Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you this morning. I am doing one of my most requested recipes this year. This is something I came up with, and it's absolutely excellent. Super easy to do. It's a roasted, creamy chicken noodle soup. First order of business, and about the most important, you want to get you 2 roast chickens. I got to use my local big box store. You can get them cheap, like $5 a piece. Get them, I like to put them in the refrigerator, get them cooled down. You don't have to, but first what I'm gonna do is pull the meat off these chickens. So this chicken has been making this wonderful broth in here all day. Look at that gorgeous broth. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna strain this out and just put it aside and keep it from making our chicken noodle soup. Hey y'all, Joe and Catherine Faye here. We're gonna continue the chicken noodle soup, the homemade chicken noodle soup. Excellent, it's got a cold today, so it's a perfect day for it. Let me show y'all what we got here. So I've got some ghee melting down here, which is just like a clarified butter. We're going to use this to saute our vegetables. And this is just like a trendy, already cut up. So that's
Can I stir it?
Yeah, celery, onion, bell pepper. Stir it up, Catherine. Okay, let's see. So we're going to stir that up. We're going to saute that down. That's going to be the first step in this process here. We're trying to also add some ground carrot to the mix. Oh, we're ready for the next step. Hold on, Catherine Faye. We'll pour that in just a minute.
Okay.
All right, so we've been sauteing this, just browning it down for about 10 minutes. I've got some of this Cajun kick. This is my favorite little Cajun season. I'm going to put about, if you want to do measurements, I'd say about 3 tablespoons or so of that in there for right now. All right, that's going in. Then I've got, this is just some poultry seasoning I got at the grocery store. It's just dried herbs, thyme, stuff like that. So we're gonna put some of that in there. It's really kind of gives it a lift off there with the flavor. And then I've also got some garlic, some minced garlic stuff here. And I'm gonna put, I don't know, some of that in there. That should be enough right there. I'd say about 2-3 tablespoons of that. Now we're going to stir that around, get that incorporated in here real quick. And so you can really just smell it. It smells wonderful. All right, Catherine Faye, put that in it. She's got some Knorr chicken stock powder. That's about, half a cup, you think? All right, pour that in there. Okay, so we're going to stir that around.
Yep. It's going to be chicken noodle soup.
Okay, Catherine Faye, can you put that in there? All right, so then she's going to pour our chicken stock in there that we made.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and pour that in there.
What?
Yeah, pour it all in there, babe. All right, there it goes. Okay. That'll cook down, and we'll be on to the next step. So the broth is ready. We've been sitting there letting it simmer for a couple of hours. Awesome. And over here, look, I've got the chicken shred up in the crock pot. And right now, what I'm doing is bringing some water to a boil. I'm going to boil some noodles. We'll take the noodles, put them in the crock pot with the chicken, and pour some of that hot broth in there, and we'll be ready to go. Now we've shredded the chicken that we had go up in the refrigerator earlier. I'm going to add some of the stock to it, just like that. And then I got some more over here. I'm doing a really big batch of this stuff, so that's why it's kind of different with this recipe. But anyway, so we're adding that stock right there. And now I'm going to get some heavy whipping cream. About 2 cups heavy whipping cream we'll add to that. Now, meanwhile, I'm going to boil some egg noodles over here just to get them al dente. Then we'll put them over in the crock pot. So now we're going to add in some noodles. What I can do is without spilling everything.
It smells good.
Yeah, we'll stir those in. Catherine Faye, get a spoon and let's stir those in, okay? Here's your spoon. Yeah.
It smells good.
All right, we'll stir those in, let that simmer there for just a little bit, and they'll be ready to eat.
Yep.
But y'all, here it is. Wonderful chicken noodle soup right here. I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, that's some good stuff. I tell you what, absolutely awesome chicken noodle soup. Y'all please like and subscribe. God bless. Have a good one. And let me know what else you want to see.